here's Wes's project. All right, hi guys, I'm Wes again. So I know this doesn't look impressive, okay, I'm aware of it, but I was trying to build a multiplayer game server. That was kind of the point of this project, so I could run sockets better with their instant communication, see what they're really capable of, because this thing runs like 40 ticks a second and up, so it has to be able to communicate really fast. So in order to build a multiplayer web server, I had to build a game to go on top of it. So I chose something very simple, which was Pong. I'll give you an example first. This is obviously two sessions here playing together. Where's the play slide? Oh, okay. So they'll play together. You see the guy's entering his name now, and the next guy's going to enter his name after. It's the same guy. It's me. I'm the one sitting there. So. And it's going to be kind of funny when I try to play against myself here. It's kind of difficult, so it's not going to display real well. But at least you guys get to see how it works, right? Like with the real-time nature of these guys playing this game, right? Yeah, I just switched windows. You know, it's less fun by yourself. It's actually still kind of fun. It's hard, you know. It gets into this part. So that's that. One of the guys is going to win really soon here because I think I got like bored. It's like, okay, someone can win. So I can show you guys what happens when you win, right? So someone's gonna win right now. Okay, so that guy won. So that's one situation that could occur, right? But what if somebody else logged on and they want to play? Well, they can't, because you can only play 2 people at a time. It's Pong. But you can watch. You can sit in spectator mode and watch these guys play. And then when someone loses, they get booted off the server, and then you get to play. Ideally, they wouldn't get booted off the server. They'd probably go to the back of the line, but that would have taken more time. So I just went right arrow. Oh. So then I'll display that. So just to give you a quick preface here, these guys are going to be playing against each other. This guy's spectating, okay? It's just me. But so let's see what happens here. So this guy's logging in now. It's not really a login, he's just putting in his name. There's not a lot of secure data here, it's just like, you know, I want to play a game. So, that's player 2. I assume this is probably going to be player 3. Yeah, okay, I was consistent with that. So, that guy's waiting. See, it's a spectator mode now. And now these guys start their game, and when they do, eventually, I paused it. Okay, there they go. So he's watching them play right now, and waiting for his turn. You can see his name up in the queue. Waiting was player 3 on everyone's screen. And then when someone eventually loses now, so player 1 got kicked off, right? So he's gone. And then this guy's now in the, when we actually started again, you'll see that it'll show them playing together. Player 3 will be on the left, player 2 gets to stay on the right because that's where he was. And, yeah, I know, sorry. So I know the front end is not very attractive on this, but really like all the work was in the server side. And it was a lot of fun trying to figure out how WebSockets work and like see how fast they could actually work. And at one point they were working way too fast. And my front end was just like getting crippled by all the data they were sending, which is pretty cool. That was pretty encouraging because at first I wasn't sure if it was going to be able to work at all, you know. It ended up being too fast, so I want to try to do something else with it, but I'm not sure what to do yet. Probably not Pong. And if it is Pong, I'm going to get someone else to play with me, so I don't have to do it myself. If you guys want to check it out, though, I do have it like working over there, so you can actually see how it works and you can play it and get booted off when we lose. And I'd love to talk to you guys about anything on the project. I hope some of you guys know more about it than me, and I can ask you some questions because I have a few bugs that I still need to work out. And a few extensions too. I wanted to actually make it so that obviously when the player loses, he gets put in the back of the line and has to wait again, you know, rather than just like getting kicked out. And possibly, and I told Sean about this, he thought it was cool, but he's like, you don't want to do that. Having a 4-player mode where you have a pad on the top and the bottom too, which would be really cool. Yeah, that'd be really hard by yourself. All right, that's all I got, guys. So if you have any questions, come find me. I'd love to talk to you.